Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10-line essay on my favorite teacher. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Mr. Vikas Divyakirti is my favorite teacher. Second line is He is a true incarnation of dedication and wisdom. Third line is His passion for teaching is unbelievable. Fourth line is His teaching style is a perfect blend of creativity and clarity. Fifth line is He makes even the most complex subjects easy to learn. Sixth line is He encourages questions and discussions. Seventh line is Beyond academics, he is a source of inspiration. Eighth line is His commitment to our growth extends beyond the classroom. Ninth line is He offers guidance and support whenever I need it. Last line is He is not just a teacher but also a mentor, role model, and inspiration in my life.